Welcome back to the channel. Today I am super excited and honored to bring you, with my co-host Sybil, the first release of one of 6 Dark Academia dolls from Robert Tonner. According to my persnickety co-host, this particular doll is called the Wanderer. Last year at the Ohio National Doll Show, Robert Tonner did a fantastic presentation and explained to the crowd his inspiration for the new Dark Academia series. To help us better understand the Dark Academia theme, he broke it down into 3 specific categories. He expressed that Dark Academia draws heavily on old world academic spaces, and the visuals typically included dimly lit libraries with towering bookshelves, leather-bound volumes, and brass desk lamps. The fashion elements that were emphasized were tailored traditional garments associated with historic academic settings. This included tweed blazers, wool trousers, pleated skirts, cardigans, waistcoats, and scarves. Browns, charcoal, greens, and creams, often paired with vintage details such as loafers, lace-up boots, or tortoiseshell glasses, reinforcing romanticized learning and melancholy. Perfect for our Ellowyne doll. Unboxing the Wanderer, I'm sure we'll find this Ellowyne to be as captivating and beautiful as many of her Ellowyne sisters that have come before her. But I won't be surprised if we don't find also a little melancholy and ennui. Let's get this box open. The first thing to note is that we have that classic Ellowyne box. Removing the lid exposes the tissue underneath, which also is covered with small Ellowyne illustrations and designs, an original since the first Ellowyne was introduced. I did have one opportunity to see a single photograph of this doll. Upon opening the tissue paper, we'll be looking at her together for the first time. Our first close-up reveals that this, in fact, is a rooted doll, one of my personal favorites. I'm going to remove her hairnet, take her out of the box, and get a closer look. Nestled in the box is a beautiful wicker basket filled with flowers. We'll take a closer look at this in just a moment. Attached to her wrist is a traditional Ellowyne Wilde hang tag. We'll remove the hairnet for that first view. On close observation, you can see right away, again, that hair is rooted. She has a beautiful, soft palette of eyeshadow, rooted lashes, dramatic eyebrows, and a beautiful melon lip and blushed cheek. The warm melon color was also used to complete a manicure and pedicure on her fingertips and toes. I immediately noticed the 2 braids that are framing each side of her face. I also really like these romantic curly tendrils that frame her cheeks. What I didn't anticipate and absolutely love is that the hairstyle is actually 2 very long and curly ponytails. I love the pigtails, as this is a really unique hairstyle and not one that I have on any of the other Ellowynes in my collection. Also included in the box is her signature telescoping doll stand. This feature of the telescoping stand makes posing and photographing your doll so much easier. The last element in the box is actually a pair of fantastic knee-high brown lace-up boots. These gorgeous boots feature a nice high heel, but the absolute best part about them is a zip-up in the back. Easy to get on and easy to take off. Now that we have the Wanderer out of the box, let's get her boots on and get a 360 view of her full outfit before we break down the elements in detail. Sybil instructed me that we needed a closer view of that basket to show you what's inside. As you can see, there's several vintage colored flowers, including some black roses. The flowers are stuck in the bottom of the wicker basket into a piece of styrofoam. These could easily be replaced with some beautiful springtime colors if you wanted to change the aesthetic. I've always found doll collecting to be a very personal experience. Some dolls just captivate our imaginations and beg to go home with us. I hope this short video montage of a 360 view of Ellowyne, along with some still pictures, will give you a true indication of what you might expect when you open this box. As the proud owner of many beautiful Ellowyne dolls, I've never been disappointed by the craftsmanship and attention to detail that Robert Tonner does with each of his individual creations. And I am so excited to see the other 5 dolls that he brings out in this brand new Dark Academia series. Now that we've had a chance to see Ellowyne on the 360 pedestal, I'll remove some of her clothing items so that we can look at them in a little bit more detail. Here's a quick recap of the items that are included in the box in addition to the Ellowyne doll. The outfit that she's wearing starts with the very necessary pair of pantyhose with a built-in panty. Over top of that, she has this beautiful skirt, which is a cream color with a floral print and a single ruffle at the bottom with an elastic waist. Atop the skirt, she wears a very stylish and fitted pinstripe shirt. It has a riser as well as a collar, 3 buttons down the front, and a snap closure, both at the front and at the cuff. Over top the skirt and the shirt, she wears a classic plaid jumper in a warm brown and cream color palette. She ties the look together with those gorgeous brown lace-up boots and a waist belt with a chunky buckle. As she strolls to the library or to the market, you'll find her holding that wicker basket full of vintage flowers. With our wanderer redressed, I'll share my final impressions. As you can imagine, doing a doll unboxing for an Ellowyne Wilde is always a really good day. Each doll brings her own unique personality and style. When I opened the box, I thought that is definitely another beautiful Ellowyne doll. But when I turned her over and saw this unique hairstyle, I was 100% sold. My husband Joel came into the room and he said, "Oh my gosh, she looks just like Dorothy Gell." My final impression of the Wanderer is she is definitely a winner and worth adding to your collection. Do note that when she goes on sale, there is a limited edition of 195 pieces available through the Virtual Doll Convention. Thank you so much for coming by and spending your time with me for this doll unboxing today. My co-host Sybil and I appreciate it. Please hit that like and subscribe button, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.